Summary of the Assam Tribune, Wednesday 26 August. Scheduled Tribe. Government will grant ST status to six communities: Koch Rajbangshi, Tai Ahom, Chutia, Matak, Moran, and the state's 36 T tribes. No specific criteria has been recognized for ST community. The constitution only states that STs are specified by the president after consultation with the governor. According to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, the criterion includes indication of primitive traits, distinctive culture, geographical isolation, shyness to connect with other communities, and backwardness. There are over 700 tribes which have been notified. The largest number of tribal communities are found in Orissa. Few committees formed to look into the definition of STs are Lokur Committee 1965, Bhuria Commission 2002 and 2004, Professor Virginia Sasha Committee. Delimitation Commission. Delimitation is the act of redrawing boundaries of Lok Sabha and state assembly seats to represent changes in population. In this process, the number of seats allocated to different states in Lok Sabha and the total number of seats in the Legislative Assembly may also change. The main objective of delimitation is to provide equal representation to equal segments of a population. It also aims at a fair division of geographical area so that one political party doesn't have an advantage over others in an election. Delimitation is carried out by an independent delimitation commission. Its order can be questioned by the court. Under Article 82, the Parliament enacts a delimitation act after every census. Borough Accord. The first Borough Accord was signed with the APSU in 1993. It led to the creation of Bodoland Autonomous Council with some limited political powers. In 2003, the second Borough Accord was signed by the extremist group Borough Liberation Tiger Force (BLTF), the center and the state. This led to the creation of BTC, which is an autonomous body under the sixth schedule of the constitution. The new Borough Accord is the agreement between the central government, the Assam government, and the Borough groups, including all factions of the militant NDFB, to redraw and rename the Bodoland Territorial Area District (BTAD) as the Bodoland Territorial Region (BTR) in Assam. BTAD is spread over four districts of Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksa, and Udalguri. Armed Forces Special Power Act. AFSA gives armed forces the power to maintain public order in disturbed areas. They have the authority to prohibit a gathering of five or more persons in an area, can use force or even open fire after giving due warning if they feel a person is in contravention of the law. If reasonable suspicion exists, the army can also arrest a person without a warrant, enter or search premises without a warrant, and ban the possession of firearms. The Armed Forces Special Power Bill was passed by both houses of parliament and it was approved by the President on September 11, 1958. It became known as the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958. The act came into force in the context of increasing violence in the northeastern states. It is effective in the whole of Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, excluding seven assembly constituencies of Imphal, and parts of Arunachal Pradesh, basically eight police stations, and Jammu and Kashmir. National Investigation Agency or NIA. It acts as a central counter-terrorism law enforcement agency. It is empowered to deal with terror-related crimes across states without special permission from the states. It is established under the National Investigation Agency Act 2008 and is under the Home Ministry. Ethnic rugby. UB Lakpi is an ethnic variation of rugby played in Manipur. It is played with an oiled coconut. The players battle it out to snatch the slippery ball from each other. Sixth schedule. Sixth schedule deals with the administration of the tribal areas in the four northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram, according to Article 244 of the Indian Constitution. It seeks to safeguard the rights of the tribal population through the formation of autonomous district councils. These councils have wide-ranging powers. Governor is empowered to include or exclude any area, increase or decrease the boundaries, and unite two or more autonomous districts into one. He can also alter the name of the autonomous region. In all, there are 10 areas in the northeast that are registered as autonomous districts, 3 in Assam, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, and 1 in Tripura. Wildlife or animal corridor is an area of habitat connecting wildlife populations separated by human activities or structures such as roads, development, or logging. The corridor allows movement between isolated patches of habitat without other disturbances such as traffic or development. Kanchanjuri is among the corridors of Kaziranga National Park or KNP, which is used by animals, especially to escape the flooded KNP during the monsoon months. The Supreme Court has banned any sort of new construction within these corridors. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) is corporate initiative to assess and take responsibility for the company's effects on the environment and impact on social welfare. In India, the concept of CSR is governed by Clause 135 of the Companies Act 2013. The CSR provision within the Act is applicable to companies with an annual turnover of 1,000 crore and more, or a net worth of rupees 500 crore and more, or a net profit of rupees 5 crore and more. The Act encourages companies to spend 2% of their average net profit in the previous 3 years on CSR activities. Fiscal consolidation, it refers to the policies undertaken by governments, national and sub-national levels, to reduce their fiscal deficit, which is excess of spending, over-earning, and accumulation of public debt. Governments undertake different policies to achieve fiscal consolidation. The Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management (FRBM) Act gives the government target to maintain the fiscal discipline. Right now, government is required to maintain its fiscal deficit within 3.3% of GDP. Thank you.